Hey students, I want to take a second to go over the first journal. We didn't get a chance to go over it today in class, and I want to make sure that you know what's expected because I know that some of you are going to be in the field this week, so I'm going to just make a quick video going over this. Okay, first thing I want to point out is at the top here where it says that you should add any other relevant observations to the list that is below here. But also, and this is the most important part, that you connect your reflections to the course content, this part right here. Okay, in our discussions, I'm going to be looking in your journals for you to be saying, this connects to, like, for example, you ask your teacher about why they became a teacher. This is content from, this is connected to chapter 1. If we go down a little bit further, you ask your teacher about the purpose of school. This is connected to chapter 2, and I expect you to be making connections to your readings and your observations or these field questions that you have. Okay, you cannot complete your reflection without going into the schools. Okay, so you have to have so many hours, and I'm going to ask for a copy of your hour sheet when you turn this assignment in. Now, I would like for you to answer each of these prompts that are listed on this page. In fact, you can just take these prompts, copy and paste them onto a blank Word document, and you can just answer each of them below it. This is probably going to be 3 to 5 pages long when you finish. So the first one, describe the students that you are observing and the environment they are in. Okay? How old are these students? What grade level is this? Do you notice any disabilities in the classroom? How much time are the students spending in the classroom? And then describe the physical environment that is the classroom. Are there murals on the walls? Are there posters? Are there lamps being used or overhead lighting? Just all of that should be covered in this first part. Then, do you find the classroom environment welcoming, inviting? Okay? And then, is this a classroom that you as a student would want to be in? Why or why not? And then, the next 1, 2, 3, 4 or prompts are actually questions for you to ask your classroom teacher. So you're going to want to let them know sooner than later that you need these answered. Either you need to sit down with them, you want to Zoom with them, Teams, Google Hangouts, or you want to email them and have them sent back. Now, if you choose that latter, okay, you need to be very clear about when you need these, because if you don't get them in a timely fashion, i.e. on the due date, they will be late. Okay, so this is on you to get this information from teachers. Okay, so ask your cooperating teacher why they became a teacher. Ask your cooperating teacher what they perceive to be major challenges in teaching. What interferes with them really reaching and addressing the needs of their students? Something that you guys have commented on in your introductions as why you got into teaching. Ask your cooperating teacher what they believe is the purpose of school. Ask your cooperating teacher if they feel that his or her school are meeting this purpose with students. And if not, why not? And if yes, how? Okay, what dispositions do you see in your teachers and other school personnel exhibiting? For example, we talked about being prompt, punctual, and prepared. Are you seeing teachers hanging outside of the classroom after the bell has sounded, talking to other teachers and socializing? And then how do these dispositions match the types of dispositions we've discussed in class? So again, we're going to answer each one of these prompts. You are going to tie them to course content and discussions. You have to be in the field some amount of hours to complete this journal, and it does entail asking your teacher several questions. Check the syllabus for the due date for this. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. Good luck in your observations.